This tutorial will be stepping you through how to dispute a transaction within VxGateway. Please be aware that VxLoop to VxLoop transactions and withdrawals from your VxLoop are not disputable. If you wish to dispute a transaction made with a merchant, we recommend contacting the merchant first regarding your transaction before submitting a dispute within VxGateway. To dispute a transaction within VxGateway, log into your account, then visit Transactions within the menu. Select the transaction you wish to dispute by clicking on it, and a detailed description will appear. Double-check the information displayed, and if you wish to initiate a dispute, then click Continue. Read the terms and conditions regarding VxGateway's dispute process, and if you agree to them, enter your PIN and click Continue. From within the three categories displayed, Merchandise, Payment, and Merchant, select the most correct description of the issue relating to your transaction, then click Continue. The dispute form will now load with the first two fields, Dispute Type and Subject, pre-filled. Fill out the rest of the form regarding whether you processed the transaction yourself, if you knew the transaction was made by either yourself or someone you know, the date of the transaction, and a description of the concern you have regarding your transaction. If the transaction involved a merchant, then tell us if you are aware of the merchant's return policy, the date you contacted the merchant, and the merchant's response. If the transaction does not involve a merchant, then answer No to return policy aware, select the same date for merchant contacted as date of dispute, and enter A merchant was not involved within merchant response. You can also attach two files in the form of a scan, document, or photo regarding the transaction if you wish. Click Submit, and your dispute request will be processed. You can view your dispute by visiting the Support section and clicking on the Dispute tab. You will be contacted via email within 3 business days regarding your dispute. If a dispute button is not displayed when you view the transaction, you will need to submit a support ticket regarding the transaction. Visit Support within the menu and create a new support ticket. Select the level of urgency, then select Transaction Dispute as the subject. Within the description, include the transaction ID, as well as answering the following questions. If there is one, have you contacted the other party involved in the transaction? If yes, what was their response? Did you or someone you know initiate the transaction? The specific reason you are disputing the transaction, and any other information you believe is relevant to the transaction. You can also upload a scan, document, or photo regarding the transaction if you wish. Click Submit, and a VxGateway customer service representative will contact you via email within 3 business days regarding your dispute. To learn more about VxGateway, visit our YouTube channel at youtube.com/VxGatewayOfficial. VxGateway, because we live, work, and play in a virtual world.